You didn't fail school. School failed to tell you. There was another game, and right now, you're sitting with a degree, or without one, feeling like you missed something everyone else figured out. You didn't miss it. It was never shown to you. The system gave you one blueprint: study, degree, job, retire at 65. But that blueprint was designed in 1950 for a world that no longer exists. This video isn't motivation, it's a map. Specifically for the version of you that's standing at the exit of school, looking at an open field with zero directions. The system taught you to measure yourself by grades, GPA, test scores, class rank. But outside school, the scoreboard is different. The market doesn't pay for knowledge, it pays for output that solves a problem. There are two paths that work in the real world. Build a skill the market needs, a trade, a craft, something people will always pay for, or build a system online that runs without you. Both work. Both beat waiting. The question isn't which is more legitimate, it's which one are you actually willing to build? Here's what nobody talks about. School doesn't just teach subjects, it builds your identity. I'm a student, and when that identity ends, graduation, dropout, gap year, there's a vacuum. Most people fill it with anxiety, comparison, and scrolling. The ones who move forward fast do one thing. They replace the identity before the void fills itself, not "I'm a graduate looking for work." Instead, "I'm building a system that will make money while I sleep." That shift from passive receiver to active builder is the entire game. You don't need credentials to build online. You don't need a face, a degree, or a network. What you need is a system. A repeatable process that produces value, that compounds over time without your physical presence. This is what I call a faceless business, and it's the closest thing to a real-world cheat code for someone starting from zero. No startup capital, no boss, no geography, just skill, plus system sex, plus consistency. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The reason most people don't build anything isn't lack of information. You have YouTube, you have Google, you have everything. The real block is identity inertia, the silent belief that the path you were given is the only legitimate one. And that belief doesn't die from motivation. It dies from proof. The fastest way to destroy it: start building something, anything, and watch the first dollar you make from your own system hit different than any salary ever will. You're waiting for clarity before you move. That's backwards. Clarity comes from action, not from thinking. Every hour you spend planning without building is an hour the person who started yesterday is ahead of you. Pick one skill. Build one thing. Iterate. The school system isn't your enemy, it's just a game, designed for a different era. You're not behind. You're just playing on a different map now. And the rules here, they favor the ones who build, not the ones who wait for permission. If you made it to the end, drop a comment. I want to see who's actually here. And if you're lost right now, don't know where to start, what to build, or which direction makes sense for you, write to me directly. I'll help you find a starting point. Simple rules, no fluff. That's what this channel is for.